Hi, I'm Jennifer, and I'm super excited that you're here because today I'm going to be making one of my favorite things that I make every season of fall. This is my favorite season of the entire year, and I love putting together a delightful little special pumpkin cheese ball. I do it every year. It's so much fun, and it's always fun to share with family and friends. Let me show you just how easy it is, and you can put any ingredients in you want to make it your very own. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Let's get busy putting our pumpkin cheese ball together. I love making this every year. I'm going to start off by putting in about a 1/4 cup of some grated pepper jack cheese. And then I have some red pepper flakes, some garlic powder, some paprika to give it some really nice color. And I'm going to add in some chives. I'll have the full recipe below. I find the easiest thing to mix this up with is the back of a metal spoon. I've left this cream cheese set out to get softened, and then I'll just start mixing it all around till I get it all mixed up together. Now you can add any seasonings or flavorings that you like to this. You could even just add some salt and pepper, maybe garlic powder, or you could add some ranch seasoning. You could open up a pack of ranch salads dressing seasoning and just pour some of that in and make a ranch flavored cheese ball. You can make it as spicy or as mild as you would like. It's always best to make this at least one day ahead of time or several hours, so that way you can let it chill in the refrigerator and all the flavors will meld together once it's been chilled in the refrigerator. As you can see, this takes only minutes to put together, and it turns out so cute. This is always so much fun to have in the fall if we have a fall party or a football party, or even for Thanksgiving or Halloween. Once I get it all mixed together, I'm just going to take my spatula and form it into the shape of a ball. It's super easy to do. And then I'm going to take a bowl with some shredded cheddar cheese, and I'm just going to put this wonderful little cheese ball right on top of the cheddar cheese. You can see all of those wonderful flavors in there. Now I'm just going to take the cheese and start putting it right over the cheese ball. I'll just press the cheese right in, and the more you roll it around, the less sticky the cheese ball gets. You want to make sure you have all of the white covered. If you have a lot of white showing through, just add some more cheese. Use as much or little as you need. And just like that, it's completely covered in the cheddar cheese. I put down some plastic wrap, and I'm just going to wrap this around the cheese ball. Make sure you seal it up to itself. Make sure it's a nice ball shape. And then we're just going to take some twine and put under the cheese ball. I'm going to tie it and pull the sides in. And then start wrapping it in the shape of a pumpkin. We'll bring it up and around this direction, and then this direction, and then I'll just tie it right here in the center. Now we're off to the refrigerator. Just go ahead and shape the pumpkin a little bit with your hands if you need to reshape it in any direction. We'll let this chill in the refrigerator until it's nice and firm. And then before our party, we'll take it out about half an hour to an hour ahead of time and unwrap it and finish off decorating our wonderful little pumpkin cheese ball. Our adorable little cheese ball is out of the refrigerator, and now I'm just going to start removing the twine. Once the twine is off, it'll be time to take off the plastic. And there is our delightful little cheese ball. And now I'm just going to take a pretzel and put right in the top. A beautiful little pumpkin cheese ball that'll be great for any occasion, party, football, anything of the sort for the beautiful season of fall. This will be so much fun to serve today when our company arrives. I'm so glad you were here. I had so much fun putting together this delightful little cheese ball. I hope you give it a try and put in the ingredients that you really enjoy the most, and you'll have so much fun sharing it with family and friends. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.